How to find time spent on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find time spent on Instagram, which is how many time you spend on this application. All you need to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Now click on those three lines and click on your activity, which is the third choice. Now, click on the first option to see how much time you usually spend on Instagram each day. Now, you see, I didn't open my Instagram those 7 days, and today I've been on Instagram for like almost 1 hour. So this is how you can see your time spent on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.